Hi, my name is Camille Cash, and I am a realtor in the Tampa Bay market, and I'm here to give you maybe a couple of good points as far as what I've learned in these past years at being a realtor. The one thing I've learned is listen to people because they have a story, and listen to what they want, help them solve a problem in their housing, whether they're buying or selling. They want to do something, so listen to what they want and be generous with your time. Those are the most important points, and make people feel important, and that's mostly what I've learned as a realtor.